Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Looking at the link between parents' educational background and student English achievement. Abstract: This study investigate the link between parents' educational background and student English achievement at one senior high school in Palembang, South Sumatra, Indonesia. 108 senior high school students were involved in this study. Data were collected through a parents' educational background questionnaire and an English test. Descriptive statistics, person, product, moment, correlation, and regression analysis were employed to analyze the data. The result of the person, product, moment, correlation, confirmation related to the parents' educational background significantly correlate with the student's English achievement. Additional and result of the linear regression analysis indicate that there was correlation between parents' educational background and student English achievement. Although the contribution was small and there were other factors and contribute the student academic achievement, parents' educational background is important in supporting their children English achievement. Keywords: parent educational background, student English achievement. Introduction is essential for a development of society. The more educated the people of a society are, the more civilized, the well-disciplined, and society might be. Education is also a primary need. Era the globalization. Education give insight, grooms the personality, includes moral values, add knowledge, and provides skill for people who will live in a very competitive society. In very field, high qualified people are needed. However, there are several studies focusing on the problem and education in Indonesia, including Mukminin, Lestari, Afifa, Ramadhani, and Hendras 2017, and Musyadat 2013. Who agree that there are some problems of education in Indonesia, including curriculum, budget, quality, purpose of the education, national examination, and learning facility. This kind of problem have including the quality of education both in national and in international level. For example, although since 1995, Indonesia has taken part consistently is very round of trend in international mathematics and science study, TIMSS. The results have not been satisfactory. Of the 38 countries participating in 1999, Indonesia ranked the 34th and the 32nd in math and science respectively in 2003. Performance in math increased to 411, while the science score slipped to 420 and reserve occurred to 2007. With math performance, the record to 397. 7 and science improved to 427. Scores in both math and science fell in 2011 to 386 and 46. Recently in 2015, math performs increased to 397, while science performs decreased to 377. The result of Indonesian participants in teams have implied that the quality of education should become a responsibility of parties, including government, school, and family. Family is one the important factor in supporting education of their children as a unit of society, and family represent a major socializing agent. In relation to education, English is of one compulsory subject in Indonesia educational system. In internal factor, for example, to influence the learning achievement. Compares the average English language ability in different countries. The data indicate an English proficiency in Indonesia is still lower than the other countries. Literature review. Parents' education background refers to parents' highest education and means the high level of education attained by parents. International Standard Classification of Education from UNESCO has grouped in 9 levels of education. There are early childhood education, primary education, lower secondary education, upper secondary education, for secondary non-tertiary education, short tertiary education, whole or equivalent level, master or equivalent level, doctoral equivalent level. Parents with a level of education all are also more likely believe strongly in their abilities to help their children learn. High education educates parents have gathered success in feeding their children with cognitive and language skills and contribute to really success in school. 7. In terms of education achievement, equivalency state and achievement is the competition and personal relation on domain of college. Additionally, Sukamedinata state the achievement of student could to be seen from standard subject that they have taken up. Achievement reserved to the good result for learning and education. English achievement has a strong relation with the academic achievement. English achievement means the competency that is achieved by the student in English subject. Methodology, search, design, and participants. In these studies, we use correlational approach to find out the link between parents' educational background and student English achievement. The first procedure was we identified the parents' education background by using educational background. Data collection and analysis. In this study, we use questionnaire and assess the instruments to gather the correction. The link between parents' educational background and student English achievement of the 12th grade student to our senior high school in Palembang, South Sumatra, Indonesia. Educational lower secondary education, upper secondary education, for secondary non-tertiary education. In terms of relation and registration is was necessary to know whether the data were formal to each variable and linear between two variables. In this study, normality test was to find to whether the data of educational background questionnaire and TOEFL is higher than it was formal and vice versa. Findings in discussions, parent educational background and student and English achievement. 108 students participate in this study. The result is normality test in linear test, and the data were imported as normal one if P in means the data were not normal. Correlation between parents' education background and the student English achievement based on the person product moment correlation function and result indicate that the patterns and correlation between parent educational background and student. Influence of parents' educational background on student English achievement. The result indicate the parents' educational background influence student English achievement significantly with higher than with C. Value was lower and probability. Therefore, there was significant influence between parents' educational background toward student English achievement. The details are following. Conclusion: the current study investigate and correlation between parents' educational background and student English achievement at the senior high school in Palembang, South Sumatra, Indonesia. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.